Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is... Wait for it. It's gonna catch along. Just joking. My name is Go Flying, but I spelled it wrong, but I'm going to change it, don't worry. But yeah, so for the meantime, the officers are gonna arrest me for no reason. Alright, people just like to arrest me. That's probably the case. Alright, so yeah. My name is Go Flying, and I'm here today to play some jailbreak. First jailbreak video, except playing with my friend on my other channel called Go Flying. I'm going to put it in the comments below, so for you guys to see. Now let's try and escape the jail because I'm really good at doing that. You have a gun? Watch this. What did I do? Why are you arresting me? Like, what did I do? Put my hands up. Put my hands up. I need to try and escape. Why can't I run? Yeah, UFO. Oh my god. Guys, I'm never gonna escape. I'm gonna have to punch the box. And then he's gonna catch me. I can't run! Oh my god! Here we go! Here we go! Don't! He totally doesn't see me. Guys, there's someone there. Alright, there's someone there, and, I think he's trying to arrest someone. I don't know how I'm gonna get past him. How about I'm saying... Oh, get out. Oh my god, I thought he saw me. Oh, you took... Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh, what? He saw me. Oh crap. He's guarding the car. He's a car dog. He's a car dogger. Bro, I can't shift. He's gonna catch me no matter what. How you miss, fatty? Wait, I just realized he has the snowman suit. Let's go. Let's go. He didn't see me. He didn't see me. He didn't see me. We have to walk all the way to the gas station. I'm afraid, guys, this is gonna take very long. Very long. Guys, we'll be back when we reach the gas station. So yeah, we'll be back. Well, guys, we are back. We made it to the gas station, but I decided to come here. Yeah, and yeah, we're here now. So Yeah. In my truck. I'm afraid to go in because if someone you could, if someone, a cop, because I don't have guns, and someone come in and I try to escape them, they will try and kill me. Be honestly. Honestly. Not be honestly. Uh-oh. Watch it, I'm not even doing anything. What? I'm not even doing anything. Oh, uh-oh. Group of cops standing there. Oh, uh-oh, oh, We'll be back when we have guns, and yeah. Alright, guys, we got guns. We got guns. Me just standing. We got guns. We got guns. I was just watching my video real quick. When I live streamed, it was like a little while ago. Oh, it's already shut down. Alright, let's do this. Actually, guys, let's be a cop and go arrest people. I can't wait until I feel. Here we go. Right pursuit. We're gonna get him. Alright, we have to go in here, get my guns. Let's do this. Ha! You want to see a guy that can really shoot? Alright, let's do this. Where the heck is he even shooting? What the heck? Are you serious? Where is he? Oh, shoot. He's gonna kill me. Oh my god! I couldn't find. Wow. Alright guys, that little punk is going to die right now. I mean serious, he's gonna die right now. Where is the little bad? Yeah. That's right, run. Oh my god. Oh! That's it. These punks are dead. I got everything on now. Die, you fatty. God, I try every time. I keep coming back. I'm gonna take your Mustang now. Hippo. Oh my god. What's wrong with your Mustang, bro? I didn't know it hip-hops. You idiot. Idiot. I'm gonna take my Lamborghini. Like, what? That's why never mess with Jacob Go Flying. Never mess with Jacob Go Flying. I'll always come back. I'll search you and kick your little ass. Your little ass. Oh yeah. Well, yeah, guys. This is gonna be it. Hold on. The SWAT is making me look bad. Well, alright, here we go. Well, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give a like if you guys want me to do more jailbreak videos. Like as Zoab. Comment down below if you want me to do more jailbreak videos. Anyone, comment, tell me if you guys like it. As this retard keeps... Alright, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys give a thumbs up and subscribe. And peace. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Peace.